Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I'm quickly gonna share some of the important updates about the new batch course. And guys, this is a course which is going to start from 6th October on Unacademy Plus. So if you want to join the sessions of this batch course, because in the batch course we are going to have many subjects as well as the classes will be conducted by different educators. So this is how in very less time, with the help of the batch course, you can cover up many important topics, many important subjects and everything you need to know to do good in the upcoming exam. So everything will get covered in the batch course and it can help you a lot in doing the best preparation for your upcoming exam. So if you think you want to get the guidance by the top educators, and even if you will be taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, after that you will be able to attend the live classes and the courses by the other top educators too. So this is how you can join this batch course from the starting by taking the Unacademy Plus subscription. And in case if there is any course which is going on already on Unacademy Plus and you want to join the sessions of that course too and you are finding it beneficial and helpful for yourself, so in that case the recordings of the previous classes will be available to you, and that's how you will be able to cover up that part too and you will not miss anything. Even if you are watching the recordings of any sessions anytime and you are going to find like something is not clear to you or somewhere you are going to have any doubt, so in that case guys, you will be able to ask about your doubts in the doubt clearing sessions, and this is how like everything will be getting clear to you. Now this is the batch course, okay, which is GATE 2022, okay, and CSIR net. So this will be helping you in your GATE exam preparation as well as the CSIR net exam preparation. This is the comprehensive batch course on physical sciences. And guys, every discussion which we will do in this batch course will be very important and will be helping you a lot in doing the best preparation for your upcoming exam. Along with that, even if you are the one who is just going to start the preparation and who has not started the preparation yet, this batch course will be helping you in your preparation, as well as if you are the one who has already started the preparation or have completed some of the things but you think you are not confident about your preparation, so it will help you to have that confidence in very less time. So this is how guys, by joining this batch course you can take your preparation to a very good level. And whenever you will be taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, what are the steps you have to follow? Let me just tell you about that. So basically guys, if you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can download the Unacademy Learning app, and after downloading the Unacademy Learning app, select your goal which will be CSIR UGC net if you want to join this course or the courses by other educators for your upcoming CSIR net exam preparation, and these courses will be helping you in your GATE exam preparation as well. After selecting the goal, you can proceed further to take the Unacademy Plus subscription. You will be selecting the goal after that, okay, so you can duration. After selecting the goal, select the duration in the Unacademy Learning app. It can be 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or 24 months, okay. Then you will even get the place to write the referral code, so there you can write the referral code which will be Anjali Arora as mentioned here. No space in between, spelling should be same, that's how you need to write it and apply it. By using and by applying this referral code, at the same time you will get the discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. And this is how guys you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. After taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will be able to start attending the sessions by the top educators, and all these things will be helping you a lot in doing the best preparation for your upcoming exam. Even guys, on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, I keep on providing you the most important topics, tricks, questions and right approach to solve the questions. So if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, then you can even subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and also click on the bell icon so that you will not miss any of the new videos and you will get the notifications for them. Even guys, if your friends are preparing for the net or the GATE exam, you can share this information with them that if they want to join the sessions of this new batch course, so they can take the Unacademy Plus subscription as well and they can start their preparation under the guidance of top educators. One more thing guys, there are 2 referral codes as you can see that has been mentioned here. So Anjali Arora or Anjali A Live. Both are correct, but at a time you can use any one of the referral code. So by using and by applying the referral code, you will be getting the 10% discount or the discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. But at a time, use any one of the referral code, okay? Whichever you are finding easy to write and you are finding it okay, so you can write that and you can proceed further to take the subscription. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you. The discussion in the course will be completely exam oriented, so it will help you a lot to get familiar with the exam pattern, the type of questions you can have, and will be even giving you the confidence regarding your preparation. So this is how everything will be there, and if you want to attend the sessions of this batch course and other courses by the top educators, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Even like I have told you, if you want to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can either download the Unacademy learning app and you can proceed further to take the subscription, or you can directly search Unacademy Plus on Google and you can proceed further. So choice will be all yours. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.